The National Weather Service issued a blizzard warning for the Cascade Mountains, and we are expecting to see several feet of new snow by tomorrow morning. King 5's Savannah Welch is tracking conditions at Snoqualmie Pass.
Snoqualmie Pass has gotten more than 6 inches of fresh snow in the last 24 hours, and it's continuing to come down and build up. You can see just how much is covering the roads there. We've seen quite a few snowplows out and about making the rounds. The drive east on I-90 was fairly smooth this morning, but things are going to ramp up even more tomorrow into Thursday. That rare blizzard warning goes into effect Wednesday at 6 p.m. with 2 to 4 feet of snow possible in some areas and very strong winds expected. The National Weather Service, it issues blizzard warnings when heavy snow combines with winds over 35 miles an hour and visibility drops below a quarter mile for at least 3 hours. So it's really that combination that allows for these types of warnings to be issued by the National Weather Service. This also means that pass travel could be fairly tricky, but skiers, snowboarders, and local businesses, they're all very excited for the much needed snowfall. Some have described this season as kind of disappointing, so they're really looking forward to the fresh powder, being able to get back on the slopes after this system rolls through this week. At Snoqualmie Pass, Savannah Welch, King 5 News.